Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigiTY. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iCloud Drive not syncing on this Mac. So if your files are not uploading between Mac and your other Apple devices, one of the possible reasons that iCloud Drive syncing is turned off on your Mac. When this happens, new files you save may stay only on your Mac instead of being uploaded to iCloud, and files from your other devices may not appear on your Mac either. This problem can help accidentally if you have turned off iCloud Drive syncing or if you have recently changed your iCloud settings. So turning the syncing option back on is one of the easiest thing you can check, and in many cases it restores normal syncing without changing any of your files. So to enable it, first click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down all the way and then go to iCloud. After that, click on the see all button right to saved to iCloud, and here go to iCloud Drive. Now after that, enable the toggle right to sync this Mac and it will pop up with the different options. If you want your desktop and documents folder also syncing to iCloud Drive, then you can enable this toggle. You can even enable optimize Mac storage, or you can disable it if you want, or you can also view the apps that are using your iCloud Drive by clicking the app syncing to iCloud Drive. From here, if you want to turn off any app to syncing to iCloud Drive, then you can disable this toggle, and these options are optional, but the important part for this fix is making sure syncing this Mac is enabled. This is the main toggle you have to enable first, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.